好吃 I didn't realize that in this city is such a good place. Ребята, почему они меня все фотографируют? What's this? Hi, my name is Daria. Today I will take you to Youfuning. Do you know how to say that this place is very beautiful in Chinese?
这个地方很漂亮。
这个地方很漂亮。
对的。
This food is very sweet and soft like a cloud. 好吃 Do you think this factory like in the movie Charlie and the Chocolate Factory?
Yes.
Oh my god, we're there at Jinshanhu. The lake is very clean and warm and the sand is so comfortable and beautiful. I didn't realize that in this city is such a good place. What's this?
意林酱油。
意林酱油 They look so cute. Chinese culture is very interesting. It is very difficult to me to make it, but I will try my best. Today we did a lot of different things. For example, I taught one move from a Chinese opera. It was very exciting. Also, I want to tell about this nature is very, very picturesque. We visited a lake. It was very clean. We were on the boat. I took a lot of pictures. I will share these pictures with you and my friends. We bought this souvenir. I'll take it to Russia, and when I'll miss China, I will see this and remember all good things that happened in this city, in Yancheng.